Right guys, Nathan and Ash, we're back. Not done a video for a long time, so I've been waiting for my new camera and stuff like that, so let's give this a check. See what we like with this device. Can't see where I'm going, but I'm here. Ash is here. What's Ash look like on the new device? Whoa. Right, get big light on. Oh, oh.
Oh my god. Careful where we're at.
Yeah, mate.
I want to see what that thing last time is. These are road there. Oh.
Do what?
Do you see these lights over there?
Oh, yeah. I want to see what that thing was last time and all. Aye, that is smooth, that, like. Oh. Try and get on these stairs if I were you. Footsteps down here. Oh, there's loads of footsteps here.
Is there?
Yeah, look. Look fresh as fuck. In muck. How dodgy is that? What you were saying, I said they're fresh, them, aren't they?
Yeah.
You can see how fresh them are. Yeah, they've literally been. I've not even stepped up at steps properly. Yeah, I'm in bushes.
What size now? What's up?
Yeah, I'm a size 10.
Yeah.
What is that?
That's it.
About same as mine.
Size 10
Right, well, what we've come for today, anyway, guys, is to check.
I don't want to be reminded of that. Actually, it's fucking dirty thinking about it.
I know.
We thought about it.
On my most viewed video. Whoa, again. It's all rotted. Fucking hell, they love finding things here, don't they? Looks like I'll go first.
Just dumping it in there.
Oh, and this setting and all. Like,
Oh, that's better, isn't it?
it's right zoomed in onto it, like, yeah. It's proper zoomed in, that look. Oh. I'll keep it like that for now.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks mint.
It does.
It's like zoomed into where actual light is, isn't it? Yeah, if you see or hear out, guys, what we might not. I did just hear a dirty noise then.
After that, fucking shit was on me.
I did hear a dirty noise. Oh, fucking
Oh
you dick, you dick, you have just proper given me a right heart attack. I thought something's just jumped at us. Here's your go, and I thought like, oh no, something's here for us. Shit. I didn't know how you did that, but you have just given me a proper heart attack, lad. Like, fucking hell. It was further down, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Alright, that. Mate, looks like we're right close to the fence. Look at that. Woof. Oh, mate, this looks like some Blair Witch shit, this. Well, that... Is it just bushes? Probably just bushes. Is it that way?
Over there, wasn't it, that thing?
Was it over that hill or was it that way we went?
Over the hill.
Do you want to go...
Oh, that's scared. That car shit me
Do
again.
you want to go back way around? So
That
we're
way.
not going over the river?
Yeah. It's smart as well.
Let's just stick close, cause
You want to go front of it, alright? Yeah, you've got light on.
zoom out a bit. Oof. Can't see much, guys, when I'm... To be better, I think it might be better if I stay in that other setting for night videos like this.
It does better like that.
Because where light is.
Them trees, isn't it? What was the last time? Oh. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
That bench.
Yeah. That is good, that, though, like, nice.
Good camera, that. Proper good. Proper smooth. Very smooth. What was that? You?
No, what the fuck, that's why
Thought you kicked something.
Did I? Fuck, that's why I stopped, mate. I fucking shit myself, I'm like, whoa. Did I? Fuck. Oh no, someone had just lobbed 10 pence at us. Someone's just lobbed 10 pence at us. Oi. Someone's just lobbed 10 pence at us, mate.
It's new anyway.
Someone's just lobbed 10 pence at us. That's what's just made that noise. That's just come from front, if to say
Look at
like,
you with
do
a
not go any further. That's what that's just done to me. Mate, I swear down. Someone has just lobbed that house, hasn't there?
You want to keep it?
What for? I don't fucking want it. Lob it in bush, see if it gets fucking lobbed back. Have that, you bastards. Don't throw it out at us again. I swear to God, that fuck. Ashley. Ashley, now. I stopped because something went dink. Yeah. I stopped because something went dink. I looked on the floor like, oh, and what did I see? A fresh as fuck 10 pence.
That's weird, like that.
Freshest 10 pence I have ever seen. You know what's not helping me in my situation? Rain's just got heavy as fuck. I cannot hear what's round me.
No.
Can you?
No.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh man, I'm gonna have to come at the top of my phone. What's happening here? Right, I'm gonna have to pause. Right, we're back, guys. Just paused it a minute then, like, because rain got a bit too bad. Got a bit heavy there, like. Brand new device, this, can't be having it get water damaged already.
Oh, I can metal from the waterproof sock. Have a look at that. Hopefully it's just...
There's paths everywhere now.
Those people wait was up for months.
Don't fall down here. Hi mate, if that happens, I'm running, mate. My zoom back out a bit, guys.
I would absolutely shit myself if I saw a massive thing like that.
I've walked all the way through woods without my fucking brightest setting on. Oh, this camera has not gone fuzzy once. It's not got no autofocus bollocks what on over it constant. Just walked into it, it's just gone blurry as fuck there, Ashley.
Looking down.
Aye, it's just gone blurry as fuck there, lad. Yes, I swear to God. This footage is going straight up on YouTube tonight, guys. Oof. Oh, can you remember last time we were here? I saw somebody pop up at top. Did you? Aye, and I did. I fucking did. We were here like this that day. I looked up and some fucker's head was there. Now. It was. It was. A few, I've seen a few things. But do you know what it looked like? It looked like that thing on the video. Black and white. It fucking proper shit me up.
Some weird noise going on.
I know, that's me, but I heard that. Did you just hear that then?
Yeah. That's why I looked up
Is that why you looked up there?
Yeah. Like that.
Yeah, like someone snapping something near us.
What's that there behind the wall?
My camera goes. Look. It was right funny there.
That seems like it having. Pete that corner, isn't it? Just
No, I don't, because it does.
That Rick's there.
That could have been trickery that day, but thinking about it now, it genuinely wasn't. It can't have been. Could have been like, you know, something at that corner right now. It's something were up there. Something was there. And it fucking were looking at us like that. Someone's looked up, gone. Like, oh my God. What was that?
That's disgusting, that.
What was that? I thought a car's just been I thought a car was coming crashing into the woods. I heard scratching, ripping, crashing. Oh my God. Oh, wait, because I fucking...
Some dirty shit there.
I ain't got 360 degrees view, people, but some shit's happening here tonight. We've
Up at trees, I heard it.
We've never, one thing and all, we've not come here at night before. And it's dirty. I think... which one? The first one? Yeah. It's better, that one. Here, lad. Hey, I'll get in front of you. Swap if you want.
That was weird, that.
Let me just check again. I'm paranoid as fuck, me now. My head's on 360, guys. Right, zoom in a bit. How close does Ash look when it's zoomed in? Oh, not that bad. Oi, mate, this is a right fucking camera, this. If you see or hear anything, guys, please let me know that. This is why I'm zooming in a bit, look. So this footage you're seeing, what was that? This footage you're seeing is a bit zoomed in, like, look at Ashley here. Well, no, actually, it looks, that actually is about the distance you are. Yeah, no, that's right, that's good, actually. So, if I stay about here, you're always in shot, look. Like, you're always in perfect, yeah. But what we need you to do at home, guys, is scour these videos like fuck with your eyes. If there's any spirits here tonight, please feel free to speak into me device, like see if we can hear you when we play it back. I ain't got no spirit box tonight, but I'm inviting you. Any spirits here tonight, please come and let yourselves be known. Give us a sign, speak into my camera, out you want to do, let us know. We would do with spirit box to find out what that 10 pence was.
Oh, weird that.
So that was strange.
Very strange.
I want to listen that back, see if you can hear it crack through on video, because you could. Whoa, fucking hell, nearly fell. It's a bit wet tonight and all, guys. Fucking banging it down. Oh shit. Whoa, I didn't even have camera on that. I don't even know if I want to recognise what I thought so, but it might not have been right, but it just looked like someone in the top window. When I were back there a bit, it looked like someone kept popping out, like trying to say hello, like looked like they were doing something. Right, yeah, I'm gonna... Any spirits in here tonight? This might be a bit quieter. Feel free, speak into my camera. Let me know. Oh, mad innit that? It's purple and all. It's like... It's purple haze. There's no up with that. Mate.
It's not that.
Oh, actually. Everything's not up with that. Is the fuck? It's the fuck?
What is it?
What?
Oh.